Hello friends, this is Mahesh Kumar. Our YouTube channel is Math Use. It is an online platform. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support us. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problems on Z transform. So the problems are the following problems were discussed in this video, which are Z of cos n theta, Z of sin n theta, Z of r power n into cos n theta, Z of r power n into sin n theta, then Z of cos n pi by 2. So these are the problems we are going to discuss in this video. So let us see one by one. The first one, Z of cos n theta. We know that the definition of Z transform is Z of f of n is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity f of n z power minus n. And also one of the result is z of a power n. So z of a power n is z by z minus a. Using this result, we are going to prove this. We are going to find out z of cos n theta. So let us consider a equal to e power I theta. Let's consider a equal to e power I theta. Then a power n is what? It is e power I n theta. So which can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta by using polar form. So equation 1 can be expressed as z of cos n theta plus I sin n theta, which is equal to z by z minus a. A is nothing but e power I theta, and that e power I theta can be expressed in polar form as cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, taking that minus 2 inside, so z minus cos theta minus I sin theta. So for this denominator, we are going to multiply the conjugate of this denominator, which is z minus cos theta. The conjugation is plus I into sin theta, and divided by z minus cos theta plus I into sin theta. So let us consider this result for the next slide. So now multiply the numerator and denominator separately. Then we will get z into z minus cos theta plus I into z sin theta, the whole term divided by z minus cos theta, the whole square, minus I square sin square theta. That is, in the denominator, it is a minus b into a plus b. So which can be written as a square minus b square. And for this denominator, it is I square, no? That I square value is what, ma? It is minus 1. So substitute here in the denominator place, then you can get, and also you can expand this z minus cos theta the whole square. It is z square minus 2z cos theta plus cos square theta plus I square value is minus 1, so minus into minus it is plus sin square theta. In the left hand side, we have z of cos n theta plus I sin n theta, which is equal to z into z minus cos theta plus I into z into sine theta, the whole term divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Now equating the real and imaginary part on both sides. And this left hand side can be written by using linear property is z of cos n theta plus I into z of sin n theta. So when you are equating real and imaginary part on both sides, then we will get z of cos n theta equal to z into z minus cos theta, the whole term divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. And the real part, imaginary part is z of sin n theta equal to z sin theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. That's all. So the first result and the second result both are combinedly solved in this problem. So now we move to the next problem. Yeah, also we combinedly do that work. So now we move to the next problem. This is z of r power n cos theta, and also we can find z of r power n sin n theta combinedly. So by the definition of z transform, you write it, and also we know that z of a power n is z by z minus a. So here it is r power n cos theta. Okay, that is what we have to find out. So let us consider a equal to, so a equal to r into e power I theta, which implies a power n which is equal to r power n then e power I theta the whole power n. So this can be written as r power n cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So substitute that in equation number 1. So that equation 1 implies z of r power n cos n theta plus I into r power n sin n theta, which is equal to z by z minus a value. A is r e power I theta. Now you expand this denominator by using a polar form. So it is z minus r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So consider this step. So from this result, taking minus 2 inside, so this comes z by z minus r cos theta minus I into r sin n theta. So multiplied by the conjugate, so z minus r cos theta multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, it is z minus r cos theta plus I into r sin n theta divided by cos n theta divided by z minus r cos the denominator is okay. So z minus r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. So by multiplying numerator and denominator at the same time, so you get z into z minus r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. The whole term divided by z minus r cos theta the whole square plus r square sin square theta. Okay, that minus I square becomes plus 1. Now you expand the denominator and the left hand side is z of r power n cos n theta plus I into z of r power n sin n theta, which is equal to z of z minus r cos theta whole term divided by z square minus 2 zr cos theta plus r square plus I into zr sin theta divided by z square minus 2zr cos theta plus r square. So consider this term. Consider this term. So now equating real and imaginary part, we can get z of r power n cos n theta is z into z minus r cos theta divided by z square minus 2zr cos theta plus r square. Then second term z of r power n sin n theta equal to zr sin theta divided by z square minus 2zr cos theta plus r square. So we also proved the fourth result. That fourth result is what ma z of r power n sin n theta. So this is also we done it. So the next problem, to find z of cos n pi by 2. So again we consider the formula definition of z transform, and then and also we know that z of cos n theta, z of cos n theta is z into z minus cos theta whole term divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. Now put theta equal to pi by 2, then we get z of cos n pi by 2 equal to z into z minus cos pi by 2 divided by z square minus 2z cos pi by 2 plus 1. So which is z into z minus cos pi by 2, that is cos 90 degree 0, and divided by z square cos 90 degree 0, 0 into any term is 0 plus 1. So therefore z of cos n pi by 2 is z square minus z square plus 1. So this is a result of z of cos n pi by 2 value. So thank you all for watching this video.